we started to get into tank repair again back in 2005. Now in 2012, we were approached by another customer of ours who had a large volume storage tank that was part of the critical process at a power gen facility. Now this tank had varying levels of corrosion throughout the different courses. You can kind of see here, they actually played with the operating level to find the right point of where it wouldn't leak, and they just kept moving the problem. Very common issue that we see. So they said, can you do a study to understand the issues so we can value engineer repair and avoid the full replacement? Because this tank, they were going to replace it in kind right where it stood. And what that meant was they had to tear it down, take it out of service, bring a whole new one in, erect it and everything. You're talking about multiple month-long project to be able to complete that full rehabilitation and full replacement. So what we were able to understand through the testing that we did was that the corrosion did vary by course. And as Ollie showed earlier, we can take that data and value engineer the solution to provide the specific amount of strength by course on the tank. So instead of putting a uniform number of layers everywhere, we're able to kind of value engineer that and put the right amount of strength in each location. Again, it's fixing specifically what's wrong with it. Furthermore, we were able to execute the install on the inside of the tank. So that allowed us to accomplish two things at the same time. One, replace the wall loss that had occurred due to corrosion, but two, be able to provide a chemical resistant uniform membrane. And what's interesting is when most people build new tanks, they're already planning to blast, scaffold, prime, and coat the interior anyway. So by inputting the HJ3 tank wrap system, we're able to replace the wall loss and prevent the problem from occurring in the future. And that's where a lot of that long-term durability testing came into play to ensure that the carbon fiber system retained its properties in immersion over time.